We are about to go Likrat Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is Yom Mechila, Selicha, the Kapara, and the Israel. Somebody says that every year we have Rosh Hashanah, we have Yom Kippur. How does it help? It was last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago. How does it help? Every year we have Yom Kippur, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur. How does it help? This is a story from Rabbi Stapler that when he was in concentration camp, one time was a freezing cold winter, and everybody was freezing. They got some wood and they made a fire, and everybody took turn to stay by the fire, to heat up himself. Everybody took turn and they went, and it is through that they heat up themselves a little bit. There was an old man that was in the corner, and he didn't come. He didn't take any turn. Rabbi Stapler went to him, told him that, how come you are not coming? It's freezing. He says, Rabbi, how does it help me? I'm about to die. It's so freezing, so cold. Just staying there for a few minutes, how does it help me, Rabbi? How does it help me, Rabbi? Rabbi Stapler told him, don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. If you stay like that in that cold, freezing winter, you're going to die. Just a little bit of heat helps you to stay alive, makes you survive. Therefore, he told him that small heat helps. Here also, Yom Kippur, you get small heat, you get aroused to Torah mitzvot. It awaken us. That awakening makes us stay alive. And is the sense of Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur to give us new chiyuv, new perspective. A new perspective that we get, we run into life. Now, the essence of Yom Kippur is Mechila, Selicha. Now, everybody has question how to get Selicha and Mechila. Now, Torah tells us, during 13 Midot, Micha Hanavi tells us, Nose Avon V'Pesha. He forgives the Avon, Hashem forgives the Avon, and he passes over the guilt. Pesha, the Merida, rebellious. Now, the Gemara said, what's Nose Avon Pesha? Hashem forgives Avon, of whom over al pesha, somebody passes over guilt of other people. Doesn't catch everybody. He forgives other people. Therefore, on Yom Kippur, if we want to deserve Selicha, Mechila, Kapara, we want to deserve forgiveness, we have to forgive other people. No, say Avon, he forgives Avon to whom? Over al pesha, over al pesha on other people. This way, that's a great sechud and merit. Everybody should forgive somebody else. In other words, if you don't forgive, what do you gain? In other words, say that there's a dispute between two people. If you are guilty, it's not good for you to go through Yom Hadin and you are guilty. If the other person is guilty, he's a Jew. He's going to get burned in Gehenna. Now imagine, in Gan Eden, somebody is getting burned because of you. Do you think that you're going to have a good time? You're going to enjoy yourself? I told somebody, why don't you forgive him? In other words, say that I wanted to burn in Gehenna. I told him that I don't understand. If in Gan Eden you see another Jew is getting burnt in Gehenna because of you, you're gonna enjoy. He says, of course, I enjoy if he gets burned. I said, no. That you are saying right now because you are in a body. Your perspective is materialistic. But in Olam HaEmet, when you see the truth, you see the Emet, there is no makom for jealousy, hatred, there's no makom for sinah. And all of these things, then you are not going to have such an interesting Gan Eden to see another Jew is getting burned because of you. Now, this is a story that somebody was about to die. The rabbi said, okay, prepare coffin and kibura and everything. And all of a sudden, he got up and he was walking on the street. You could imagine that this rabbi was very embarrassed for whatever that he said. And anywhere that on the street they would meet him, he would go away, turn away, that should not meet each other. One time they met each other and he told the rabbi, why are you embarrassed to see me? He says that because I said that, they have to prepare the coffin and the grave for you and you're alive. I'm embarrassed. He said, no, don't be embarrassed. Really, I was about to die. But in Shamayim, they checked my file and they saw that I forgive other people. I'm not such a strict person with other people. I forgive. Shem says somebody who forgives, you give him one your life. This is the legacy of Yom Kippur and Rosh Hashanah. Once we forgive other people, Hashbar Hu would forgive us.